The SHIB sets a new record in these metric rate methods. Next step. The Shiba Inu continues to record new highs in its number of holders, which currently stands at 1,271,666, according to WhaleStats. Of this number, a whopping 51% are long-term dealers or carriers. SHIB set a new record in this metric, outnumbering those who held their assets for more than a year short and speculators in the medium term. According to the mass data of the rack configuration, over time, 51% of gray hair bearers have pampered their tokens for more than a year, 43% held within a year, and 6% held their coins for less than a month. Although the number of asset holders may not have an immediate effect on the price, it is a long-term interest in the asset. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be a bomb. Welcome to Crypto Insider, your daily dose of Shiba. If you are interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all SHIB news predictions and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Now let's get back to the main topic. According to three groups, dead on hold or compounding by time, 51% of graying holders have accumulated their tokens for more than a year, 43% held within a year, and 6% held their coins for less than a month. Although the number of asset holders may not have an immediate effect on the price, it is a long-term interest in the asset. SHIB price weighs the next move. After recovering from the lows of 5,854 on November 14, SHIB maintained its rebound to reach a high of 5,096 on November 16, when the bulls ran out of momentum. At the time of publication, SHIB was swapping at 9,067, down 1.67% in the last 24 hours. QB's daily, or SIA, stabilized slightly below the neutral 50 mark, indicating a possible range trade ahead of the next move. Big sheep owners seem to be moving in the markets, as in the past 24 hours. Large transactions are up slightly by 16%, according to Winning the Block. Large increases in trades are usually associated with increased activity from whales that are either buying or selling, and the transaction is generally more than $100,000. If the big holders stay active in the coming days, the SHIB could see another major move. On the upside, the bulls should clear the four levels of zeros 1,071 and $0.1,168 to continue the trend upwards. On the other hand, as I fall into the markets, I might see a SHIB targeting the $0.85 support before the 8250 mark. So you can see why some people who want to invest in cryptocurrencies but are afraid of the volatility of the market might swing for stablecoins in any way. Coming back to the announcement, the proposed hypotheses will definitely present challenges to the stablecoins business model, especially for stablecoins like Tether that operate with a really loose business model. Even worse, it could actually threaten the very existence of some of these stablecoin issuers. Remember, the United States is practically the largest economy in the world. And although digital currencies have not been officially adopted by the government, a lot of transactions are still carried out in the country. Crackdowns in the US could result in far fewer transactions with cryptocurrencies in the country, and that would certainly have a ripple effect around the world as well. Speaking about why the bank made such assumptions, acting comptroller of the currency Michael J. Shaw stated in a statement that the rapid growth of stablecoins is an innovative and regulated way to engage in speculative digital asset trading. Lending and borrowing is equally awe-inspiring and disturbing. Now, it is easy to interpret this to mean that the US government is not open to the idea of digital currencies. However, this is not entirely true. They actually seem open to the idea, but they are wary of those platforms not offering investors the security of their money, which is what they are trying to provide with the regulations. In fact, quite a few stablecoin issuers appear to be quite confident, despite what some might consider a cause for panic. For example, Jeremy Allaire, co-founder and CEO of Circle, stated that this represents a huge advance in the acceptance of stablecoins and provides a path to their adoption as the primary infrastructure for financial and economic activity in the next decade. He seems pretty confident that stablecoins will not only survive, but thrive on these regulations. However, it does not appear to be good news for the regular cryptocurrency. And here's why. Many people will be more willing to invest in stablecoins that have the backing of a government like the US. But hey, time will tell about that. Anyway, back to stablecoins. Now the restrictions may wipe out some stablecoins, but the ones that survive may become much stronger than they already are and absorb the customer base of those other hard-hit stablecoins. As you can see, You don't need to panic at all. The US government does not close crypto transactions, and the regulations do not mean that the government is not open to the idea of crypto. In fact, on the contrary, it may mean that they are starting to care, and therefore have these regulations in place to allow easy adoption, just as with Singapore. So hold on to your Shiba Inu tokens and buy more if you can, because if cryptocurrencies go mainstream in America, they are sure to make an even bigger boom than what Shiba Inu have seen lately. Of course, this is not financial advice, just my opinion. Make sure to do your own research. And don't forget that the cryptocurrency market can be very volatile. And with that, we come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. If you are a true Shiba Inu fan, you must watch this video. That's it for today. We would also like to mention that this is not a channel specifically dedicated to providing financial advice, and we are not asking you to invest in any company. This is just a channel geared towards bringing educational content to your doorstep. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend that you do a thorough, extensive research on the subject. We hope you like this video. Let us know in the comments below if you are a Shiba user, and be sure to subscribe and give us a like. See you next time at Shib Kai.